Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at part of my project. I'm putting down the heat treatment and the sound deadening material. So you can see the floor of the truck has been repaired, and then the interior has been painted fawn. It's the original fawn from the early '60s GM color. The dash, the part of the kick panel, the doors, the headliner will all be fawn. And then I'm putting in this sound deadening and heat treatment. I bought it years ago for another project, and I bought a lot more than I needed. I still will have more than I need, but I believe it was I bought it at, I can't recall exactly. I may have bought it at like a box store used for roofing for ice dams. Don't recall, but it's got a black tar backing, and it's really sticky, and then it's aluminum, as you can see. But it goes on real easy. Just measure and cut, measure twice, cut once. And I'm not a real big attention to detail guy. Lynn is a freak when it comes to detail. So these are some photos of the same thing. I only have done the passenger side, and then I'll show the driver's side. But anyway, Lynn's a big attention to detail guy, and I'm not, but I'm really kind of impressed by how nice this turned out. So it's I had a '61 Buick bubble top, and I put new carpet in it, and I did not do this, and I wish I would have, just for the sound deadening and the heat. But I think this is going to turn out real nice, and then I'll get jute for the carpet underlayment and then the carpeting. So thanks again for watching. There's the product. It came in a box, and then you just roll it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you get some value. Give it a thumbs up. Give me a follow or like, and catch you on the next one. Thanks again for tuning in.